how to install Java in your Windows computer. First, you need to check if Java is installed in your computer or not. To check if Java is installed in your computer, you need to open your command line. To open a command line, you need to type in your search box CMD. When you see the enter, yes, your command line is open. Now you type here Java space dash dash version. Basically, you can say that you are asking computer that what version of Java I have. So if it is installed, it will tell you what version it is. If it is not installed, it will say error. Since you don't have it installed, you need to install it. So let's move on to Google. You go to Google and then you just type Java installed, right? Okay. When you install a Java download, see when I type install, it tells me give me Java download. You need to download first and then you go. Of course, as we said, we are talking about Windows system. However, if you have a different system, let's say Mac computer or you're using Unix, it will give you options. So here is the option in the Java website. They change the design. Sometimes they put it like a different tab. So whatever it is, but basically first you need to make sure of course mostly you have a Windows computer. If not, if you have a Mac computer, you can go to Mac version over here, and then or you can go to Linux. Of course, those who use the Linux probably don't need this topic. Now you on the Windows, you see that was 64-bit. So I'm sure you also know your computer either 32-bit or 64-bit, but most cases recent computers are 64-bit. I'm assuming your computer is 64-bit. You click here. It is downloading. It's downloaded. You can go to your download folder now. I'm going my download folder over here, and then I am. Where is it? Okay, I can go. Okay, download folder. See over here. Where is download folder? Okay, I think I need to go some more. Where is download folder? Oh yeah. So here, I double click here. It will start installing. Okay. So after you finish installation, now you need to. I think good enough.